I'm Sean here for Madison's $100 challenge with the solar space heater. Is your room too cold? Are you afraid to turn up the heat because of high energy bills, or just want to save the environment? We have the solution for you with the solar space heater. You have a south-facing window, or any window that lets in a lot of nice warm sunlight. You can take this portable, easy to use and lightweight space heater, set it in your window, and generate free heat for your room. The way it works is you have a nice plastic box, the back of which is painted black and filled with a number of black mesh screens at an angle. And we have an air filter near the top, keep your air fresh and clean. A small fan near the bottom sucks in air, blows gently up into the enclosed space, much like a greenhouse, pushes the air all the way out the top, warm, heats your room. Simple, light, easy to use. Set it in your window, wait for the heat. Small fan motor plugs in, helps force some of the hot air up into your room. Nice and warm. And that is the solar space heater.